680 years after the birth of Jesus Christ, a small caravan consisting of the grandchildren of the Prophet of Islam left the city of Medina in Saudi Arabia for the city of Kufa in modern Iraq. In the middle of their journey in a desert called Karbala, they came face to face with an army sent by the Umayyad Caliphate. An unfair war unfolded, and all the men of the caravan were killed. Their women and children were taken as prisoners.
Muslim Jusas states that Ibn Ziyad called me to reform the Dar al-Amara, and I was busy with my work when suddenly the sounds of shouting started coming from all around Kufa. Meanwhile, a servant came. I asked him why there was a commotion in Kufa today. He said that the head of an outsider who had come out against Yazid was being brought. I asked what was his name? Said Hussein ibn Ali. As soon as I heard this, I was stunned. When the servant left, I mourned on my face, almost losing my sight. After that I washed my hands and face and reached the place of Khanasa from the back of the Dar al-Amara, where people were waiting for the arrival of heads and prisoners. After a while, a caravan of 40 camels arrived, on which the descendants of Hazrat Fatima al-Zahra rode. Among them were some children and women. Imam Zain al-Abidin was riding on a camel. There was bleeding from the veins and his condition was very critical due to illness and weakness. Seeing the condition of the family of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the people of Kufa used to throw the dates and pieces of bread of charity towards the children. Kulthum said,
O people of Kufa, charity is forbidden to us.
She thrown down dates etc. from the hands of children. People were weeping when they saw the plight of the Prophet's family.
O people of Kufa, be silent. Your men kill us and your women weep over us. The Lord of the worlds will judge between you and us on the day of resurrection.
The woman was talking when suddenly there was a noise. I saw that, on the other hand, the heads of martyrs of Karbala are being brought on spears. In front of them was the holy head of Imam Hussain, and he was as radiant as the sun. And he was more like the messenger of God than any other people. The beard was completely black due to dyeing. His face was as smooth and bright as moon, and the wind was moving the beard right and left. When Bibi Zainab saw her brother's head in this condition, she became impatient with the scene and, out of grief and sorrow, struck her on the head with such force that blood was shed. Thousands of men and women from Kufa gathered to witness the scene. Imam Zain al-Abidin said in a weak voice,
O people of Kufa, please tell, who is our killer?
Meanwhile, a Kufi woman peeked up from the roof and asked what nation and tribe you are a prisoner of. The women said, we are captives of the family of prophethood. Hearing this, the kind woman came down and collected some veils and sheets and offered them in her service.
For more authentic Islamic videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Like this video and leave a comment. Till the next video, Khuda Nigehdaar.